In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how you can start dropshipping on eBay from AliExpress. I have been doing eBay dropshipping for 4 years, so I know guys what I'm talking about. I just created this new store because a lot of people say that eBay dropshipping doesn't work anymore and stuff like that. I had this store. It's like 1 year old store, but I didn't list any items or I didn't try to dropship any items on this store. But I just a few months ago I started to list some products, and as you can see I have started to get sales, and that means even if you create a new account today, you can start getting sales without feedbacks and stuff like that. I only have, like, on this store I only have 10 feedback. On my other stores I have like 200, 300 feedbacks, but the same results. It doesn't really matter because a lot of people don't even look at feedback as long as much as we think they do. Okay, now I only have 10 feedback, and these 10 feedback, they are not from buyers, they are from sellers. I purchased 10 items, and these sellers, they have left feedback on my store. I hope guys you understand what I'm trying to say. Now a lot of people, they don't know what is eBay dropshipping. It's a very simple business, guys, where when someone purchases the item from you on eBay, you go to AliExpress and you search for that exact product, and instead of putting your address, you put the address of the customer, and then AliExpress seller sends the item or ships the item directly to the customer. So you don't have to own the stock you don't have to have items in stock. Okay, you only buy from AliExpress if someone buys from you on eBay. Okay, that's what, guys, a lot of people don't know, guys, because a lot of people ask me in the comments if I have to buy the inventory before I list the items on eBay. That's not true. You list the items, you download the pictures from AliExpress, and you list these pictures of the products on eBay, and if someone buys the product, then you can go to AliExpress and you can put the address of the customer that has purchased the item from you on eBay. You put it on AliExpress, and you put it on AliExpress, and then they will send the item directly to the customer. Okay, and you keep the profit. Now I will explain everything in this video, and if you don't understand anything, I reply to every single comment. If you guys have any questions, I reply to every single comment. You can just comment below and tell me exactly what you don't understand. I will reply, guys, within a few hours. Okay, now this is the account that I have. This is my AliExpress account. As you can see, these are the items that I have purchased. I'm going to click on shipped, and as you can see, yeah, this is not the account that I was using to dropship on this new account. As you can see, this is the account. Okay, I am going to log into that account right now, and I'm going to show you guys the items that I have purchased from AliExpress. Okay, seconds, and I'm going to show you guys exactly the items that I have purchased. And also I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find winning products, how you can yeah, this is the account. Okay, these are the items that I have purchased, as you can see. Okay, this one is selling really like it gets a lot of sales. Okay, this one but I am going to be showing you guys how you can find the products, so you don't rely on the products that I'm about to show you now, because you have to know exactly, show a man how to fish. Like, it's an example that I really like. Don't give a man a fish, show them how to fish, or whatever. I don't understand it. I don't exactly know how to explain it. Okay, so I am going to show you guys how you can find winning products, and how you can download the pictures from AliExpress, and how you can sell these products on eBay. Okay, now as you can see, guys, so the first thing you need, guys, to start this business is you need to go to Google and search for AliExpress download pictures. Okay, and search for this, and you will see this extension. Okay, it's called AliSave. Okay, this extension, guys, the purpose of this extension is it helps you guys download the pictures from eBay. Okay, it helps you download the pictures from eBay, so that if you find a winning product, for example this one which I listed on my eBay store, if someone yeah, if I like it, I'm going to download the pictures. It says here download main images. As you can see, when I click on it, as you can see, the pictures are downloading, and as you can see, these are the pictures. Okay, so what I do, guys, I just list this exact product on eBay. Okay, I list this exact product on eBay, and if someone buys this product from me, then I take their address from eBay and I purchase the item from AliExpress. Instead of putting my address, I put the address of the customer. Okay, so I hope, guys, it makes sense. So now to find, guys, a winning product, I will yeah, let me show you. I will give you guys this list of people that I really copy and they are very successful on eBay and they are dropshippers. Okay, this, you just need to search for these stores on eBay. Okay, this is the first one. This is the first one. It has sold, the store has almost 1000 items sold. So this one is successful and they are still getting the items. Okay, what I do, guys, I just go to their store. Okay, I scroll down, I click on see all. Okay, I see what they are selling. Okay, this is what I do. I check what they are selling. If they are selling an item and it has 3 sales in the last month, I go to AliExpress and I search for that exact item. For example, let me show you guys something. Now this product, as you can see, it has 45 sales. Okay, it has 45. Okay, it says here 45 sold. So this means this item is what people are searching for on eBay. Now, if you find, for example, a successful item on AliExpress, it doesn't mean anything, because if people don't search for that on eBay, then what's the purpose? Because you are selling this product on eBay, so you have to know if people on eBay are interested in this product before you can go to AliExpress and search for it and list it on your eBay store. So this one, it has like 45, like I said. And in this case, what I do, I search for this product on AliExpress. What I do, I just move my mouse to the picture, right click, and then you want to download this extension. It's called search goods on AliExpress by this image. Click on it. Now this extension, guys, you just need to search for it on the store. Okay, you just need to search, for example, you just need to search on Google for search on AliExpress by image. Okay, search AliExpress by image, and as you can see, this is the extension. Yeah, this is it. Okay, it's called AliExpress search by image. You can download this on Chrome web store. Okay, now after, guys, you download this after you download this extension, the purpose of this extension is it helps you guys find products easily from AliExpress. You don't have to copy the title and search for it on AliExpress manually. Okay, that's what I do. It makes it easier. Just right click, search on for the product on AliExpress, and as you can see, it gives me the product exactly on AliExpress, and this is it. As you can see, the price of the product, I'm going to change the currency to dollars. As you can see, yeah, I'm going to add here dollars and save. So as you can see, this person is selling this product for $10.80, and this product is only $6, and it offers free shipping. Okay, so the profit is around $3 because eBay takes 10% or 30% of the sale. Each time you get a sale, eBay takes 13%. Okay, 13% exactly. Now what I do, guys, I just download these pictures. As you can see, okay, download these pictures, main images, and I don't copy the title of AliExpress seller because this title is not proven to work on eBay. I copy the title of eBay seller because it has 45 sales, and it means people are searching for this title on eBay. Okay, I only focus on what works. If it doesn't work, if something doesn't work, I don't list it. If this person, for example, has 1 sale, I'm not going to list this product. But if it has 3 sales, at least 3 sales, I am going to list this product. Okay, now as you can see, I just download the images and I click on, in the top right, it says here sale. Now when you click on sale, it will ask you guys eBay for your title. You add the title of eBay seller, like I said, and the description, you want to just copy the description of eBay seller too. if there is a username of eBay seller, you want to delete it. You want to don't put anything that is related to the seller, but if it's something related to the product, then there is nothing wrong with that. Okay, now if you list this product, don't rely on one product. You have to list as many as you can. For example, you have to list 30 products, 30 winning products like I showed you, that have enough sales, at least 4 sales, 5 sales. You want to list these products, and yeah, that's it, guys. So I don't know, guys, if you understand exactly this video, if you understand the concept of this video. I reply to every single comment. Like I said, if you don't understand, let me know in the comments. I will leave another video on this video, so it will show you guys how you can start eBay dropshipping from AliExpress, how you can list the products. Okay, that's it. Okay, so after guys, you someone purchases the item and you purchase it on AliExpress, when you click on my orders, you will find here the tracking number. Okay, this tracking number, you just want to give it to the customer on eBay. Okay, you just need to send it to the customer on eBay. So I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video. Have a good day.